NEPA have finally brought the lights, so I'm guessing you will see some production in action. So this is the basic setup before we begin production. We have the bottles here, and this is where we'll feed the bottles. So we are about to start the production, and the equipments are getting warmed up. We have this bin here to collect waste materials or maybe defects, all those bottles that maybe they are having one or two issues, so we'll collect them there in that waste bin during production. So for all the equipment in the factory, that's everything, both the bottling equipment, the sachet water equipment, you need at least 150 kVA of electricity coming into the factory. And the bottling machine is a 3-phase equipment. That's this one you see here. Even the shrink wrapping machine, that's the packaging machine, is also 3-phase. Then with the pet blowing machine, that's the one that does the bottle, that one too is also 3-phase. Yeah, that's an industrial fan, just to help with cooling the temperature of the production room. So we are done with production for today, and we are currently loading the products into the truck because we have some orders that we need to fulfill this afternoon. So all the equipment have been turned off. This is post-production, and yeah, let me show you these bottles here. These bottles you see here, during the course of production we had some defects, although some of them we've already tried to recouple them and readjust them so that they can be packaged. But during production sometimes we get defects like this, like you can see this one leaking. There's something like this too, and so on. Although I would say maybe it's because we are using a semi-automatic machine, but it is also important that during production the person mounting that monoblock machine, that's the main machine that does washing, filling and capping, it is important that the person pays close attention to the machine, because during production sometimes you might have some jams and maybe some complications that you need to correct yourself.
Wannan kuma asalin gidan shi ba fada ba. Na gidan baba ma 150 ake ne, ana so a kara 150 gobe. Ga waya na ni ma ga gana wa Allah dole nan bukatun shi na kuma 5,000 nan na tunani gaskiya an kasa.